Hi guys, before I'm going to start the glazing video, here's what's happening in the studio. So all of this were made in January and it's already mid-March and these are not biscuit. So this cart, these are the best mugs. We bisqued them last January. Now I had to find time to glaze them, hopefully this week or the following week, before I am going to start dealing with my bowls. So I made a lot of practice bowls, making them as berry bowls, and hopefully I am going to do more of the larger fruit bowls. Well, there's still a lot of mugs that I have to deal with before I can go on to my bowls. Okay, so for this combination, I think it was Jessica Putnam Phillips' videos where I have seen this combo in one of her kiln opening videos. So if I am in the mood for a bluish or greenish mug, this is the combo that I usually go to. Okay, so here are the glazes that I am going to use. I have the Blue Lagoon, which is also, I'm going to use it as a liner for the inside of the mugs. Have also Emerald Falls and then the sky. Let's get started. So I'm going to start with the Blue Lagoon. So I'm going to use the Blue Lagoon on the inside and at the same time on the outside of the mug. For the outside, it's only going to be like 1/4 from the bottom, where I'm going to put the four coats of Blue Lagoon. So that is for the outside, and then I'm going to do four coats from or for the inside. Okay, so that is the first coat, so I'm gonna wait to let it dry before I do the second, third, and fourth coat. The same with this, because on this part, it's no longer gonna be a Blue Lagoon, but the base would be the Celadon sky. And then I'm just gonna alternate to layer the Blue Lagoon on top of the sky and then the Emerald Falls. Okay, I'm going to show you when I'm going to start doing this. All right? Okay, four coats of the Blue Lagoon on the inside and then up to this part. And then I'm going to coat this one with 3 coats of sky, the Celadon. This one. For the inside of the mugs, that is 4 coats of Blue Lagoon, and including this part, like the bottom. So 4 coats of Blue Lagoon, and then this part from the rim up to where the Blue Lagoon stopped, that is 3 coats of sky. So what I'm gonna do next is to do Blue Lagoon on the, starting from the rim, and then alternatingly, and then in between those I'm going to put emerald folds in between. So let's start with going back to Blue Lagoon. So that's it, what I would do with the Blue Lagoon. So I'm putting it just in stripes, and then later on, when I'm done with all the coats, I'm going to put the emerald folds in between the stripes. So the stripes are still going to be 3 coats. I am done with the 3 coats of Blue Lagoon. You can see the stripes over the sky. Now I am ready to do my emerald folds. So I'm just going to put the emerald folds like in between the stripes of Blue Lagoon. So that is my emerald folds. So the same with the stripes of the Blue Lagoon, I'm also going to do 3 coats of the Emerald Falls. So the Celadon sky is now fully covered with the stripes, alternating stripes of the Blue Lagoon and then the Emerald Falls. So here is now the result. I usually fire at cone 6 and 8 minutes hold to get to a hot cone 6. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next one.